Good day, everybody. Hello, hello. Okay, good. Got a new project. This is Wake Up from Deep Sleep. Wake Up from Deep Sleep. It's ESP32 with an RTC 1302. Okay, so the RTC, it's the battery. This will keep the time at, even when you switch it off. And I set it up that will give you here the how many time has been rebooting. Okay, so at the moment I've been let it reboot for 178 times sleep. Boot counts 179 now, and the timing next to it. Okay. So it's a type of program that you can use for a lot of, different projects. If you, I think you could, for a standard wake up, touch wake up, GPIO wake up, and you want to, set the alarm with a buzzer and so on, and you want to set it up to wake up from deep sleep, or you want to save data every 10 minutes, so he goes to sleep and then he wakes up every 10 minutes, save data, and so on. It's an extra project which shows you how to set it up and put the time on. Okay, so here it's the here we got the code. Okay, you need this library, the liquid crystal, because I'm using a liquid crystal LCD. You need RTC, in my case is a DS1302, so I need this library. And then I have a ESP sleep.h library. Okay, I set it up on this clock here. The clock is pin 2 and pin 3 is the data, and the reset button is 4, and the onboard LED is number 8 in my case. I don't know your case, because the problem with the ESP32, my one is a C3, so it's a different pin from various. Okay, so here you have initialized your pin, SPI, and then, all the rest. This is to initialize your LCD. And here you set the time, okay? This is where you set the time. It's 25th. And you can set it on the 14th of the month. Okay, this is set up when I haven't set up the date. And it does not show the date, only show the time. Okay, so it's 9:50 here, and it is 9:50. It's correct. And yeah, this can, you only use it when you want to set up, and it will stay. If you set up 2 days ago, it's still fine. But it'll be. I made another program. If your RTC won't change the correct time, then on this project, it's a standalone. It's a standalone that will reset your RTC. Okay. So, and then once you've reset it, it will start to work again. All right, my one works, so I don't have a problem. Picks up the date correctly and picks up the time correctly. So, so in this case here, as we can see, it's pin 2, pin 3, pin 4, pin 5, pin 6. Sorry, 6 and 7, it's the SDA and ACL. ACL, it's pin 6, pin 7, it's a SDF for the screen, for the LCD. This other 3 pin, as you can see here, I don't know if you can see, yeah, it's VCC, ground, and then it's clock, data, and reset. Okay, and that's the way it works. And this way you can also use it to make your own time clock. But if you don't use a MPT, which is a silver clock from the internet that you can take, then you want to keep the control of your clock, you put a battery on. And this is called RTC, real-time. Okay. So there we are. There's not much to talk. I hope you like it, and if you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Bye.